Welcome to Safar AI, your journey to better English. These are interactive videos, so you won't just watch, you'll participate. Throughout the video, you'll see questions on the screen. Make sure to answer them before moving on. These videos are designed to help you practice and check your English skills. Let's have this conversation. Ordering lunch at a café.
Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like a chicken sandwich and a bottle of water, please.
Can I have a cheeseburger with fries and an orange juice?
Of course. Would you like anything else?
No, thank you. That's all for me.
I'm good too, thanks.
Great, I'll bring your order soon.
Thank you.
Yes, thanks a lot.